If you are at a senior level manager, think upon this question. Are you one of those managers who is not allowing time for your team to think? Are you one of those who is not giving any time for anything every time there is work? If this is your habit, then I'll tell you as a manager, if you are a manager right now, you should make it a point that you have to create some blank pockets of thinking in your team. Now that is not unproductive. Let me tell you, it is not unproductivity. There's a time in my life I used to believe that it is unproductivity. But now the place where I belong as an entrepreneur running my own company, I give a lot of weightage on this part, that if somebody do not think, he will not do justice to a company, because he will not be able to bring fresh ideas in a organization. And the way things are ramping up, without fresh ideas, there is no way you can succeed. Intentionally start finding creative thinking time. In fact, the way I do it, there's a certain place in my home which I have created only for thinking. If I go there, I'll just think. I know it is for my office purpose. It's not my bedroom where I go and sit. I have designed a small place, so you don't have to need an extravagant house for that. Wherever you're sitting, create a chair in your house. It's a metaphor in your mind, okay? If you are on this chair, you are for a purpose of thinking. Go with an agenda in your mind. This is the topic I am looking for answers. Just go on the chair and sit down. I guarantee you, do it for next 30 days. If you do not find a solution yourself, let me know, because your brain is much more powerful than what you think. Only thing is we do not know how to activate it. Just simple rule. Take some questions in your mind, whatever is coming, whatever area you're struggling right now, just think it and just go in that chair. That chair can be simple plastic chair also. You don't have to do any magnanimous thing. Just go there and sit around and just start thinking on those questions. Because now you're intentional, you have agenda in your mind, now it will work. Otherwise, it is just a waste of your time.